Welcome to the BEEVisio training. To add components from the catalog to the scene, I open the folder and select which pipe I want. I click on the component with the left mouse button, drag it into this empty scene, and it's placed in the scene. The pipes are usually always in a vertical position. As for the connectors, it's the same. I just place them in and I've got it in the scene. I can already see it here in the structure tree. The two components are now in there. In every catalog, the version is always displayed on the front page, so I know which catalog is installed. We have a boom item here. With this item, I can create the bill of materials. That means, once construction is complete, I can use it to create a neat bill of materials for the whole scene. And as for the catalogs themselves, we've organized the layout like this. That means we've got the pipes here first of all. All the steel pipes are placed here. We've got all the steel joints here in the 3 different color variants. We've also organized lots of accessories into various folders. We have all the plastic components are in here. We have the various types of wheels and rollers. The APs are the flat wheels. The AGs are the threaded spindle wheels, and the ARs are the back-mounted wheels. We have the rollers and the roller rails. These are all the attachments and the roller tracks, with the inside open. The standard ones are always the 40s. That means if I'm looking for the 40 and 36 here, they'll already be displayed. We always have one fixed and one free roller track inside. The difference is that with the fixed one, I can only extend it in fixed roller pitch increments. That means I have my 36 unit center to center distance with the 40-36 unit. The roller track can only be extended in 36 unit sections. With the free track, I can do this in any millimeter increments. With the fixed track, I can't. So you always have to consider a bit what your starting point is. If I simply want a ready-made length of track, neatly sawn to the end of the roll, then I can do that with the fixed track. Otherwise, I actually have a bit more freedom of choice with the free track. If I go back, clear the selections, I can then see all the other roller tracks as well. I've got the 35, 60, 70, and 85 roller tracks. We've also got a folder here with boxes. All the containers are in there. It's useful if you just want to neatly design the layer spacing so you can place the components inside. We've got predefined ones with different heights. We've got a freely configurable box and also a simple space container in there. Any components you drag in aren't included in the bill of materials. They're just auxiliary items. The Ergo catalog contains all the ergonomic components. Lamps and lights too, tool holders, all the attachments, monitor mounts, swivel arms, everything that contributes to ergonomics goes in there. We have the catalog for aluminum pipes. It contains all the aluminum round pipes, ranging from profile pipes to AT pipes, double pipes, sliding pipes, and smooth pipes, as well as accessories for them and the 43mm round pipe. We have the appropriate joints for the round pipes. we have the DIN items in the 10 catalog. That means all standard parts are in there. They're also in folders, so they're now directly on the layer. Here I have, when I unscrew a screw, these are Allen screws. I can choose which one to use. An SI0630. Then I've got that T-screw neatly sorted out. The others are also neatly organized into different folders. We have the next catalog, MC systems. Everything to do with MC and MC4 is filed here again. We've got various profiles in here. We've got all the attachments in here. I can also open the catalog to a larger view. We've got the racking and nozzles in here. Everything to do with the 45 square profiles is included in the MC45. All the lifting catalog items that we have in the link catalog are shown there as ready-made sets of items. I can import a complete set of items here, but I can still adjust it individually afterwards, right? I can move individual items, or the whole assembly, so to speak. But in any case, all the set items are already in there. We still have additional components for the various hub sets. We've got a few templates up there. A complete hub set with hub set 13 with feet and wheels. SK hub set 20, already fully assembled as a prototype. Then, starting from the size 13, we have the AL aluminum square profiles, size 28. Then, in principle, we have the 14 item compatible with Groove 8. Then, essentially, we have the 45B, 10, meaning it's Bosch compatible with a 10 slot. Then we have an aluminum square 40GS6 with a 6 slot. These are our own profiles, which our manufacturer produces for us. And then we also have the aluminum 45 square profile with the GS8 and an 8 slot. And finally, we've got another catalog in here. Guided rail. That's a rail system. With that, I can basically set up floor rails and, in principle, build a supermarket rail system using it as a FIFO system. Yes. Thanks for watching. See you next in BEEVisio Training.